Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that can enhance your driving experience and provide peace of mind on the road. We found this dash cam online and have included a link in the description, so you can check the latest price and availability. Introducing the 3-channel dash cam, designed to keep you covered from every angle. This innovative device features a 1080p front camera, an adjustable inside camera, and a rear camera, all working simultaneously to capture everything happening around your vehicle. With a wide field of vision of up to 170 degrees, you can be assured that you're not only documenting the road in front of you but also keeping an eye on the back and the side, offering a comprehensive view which is especially useful in case of an accident. Now, let's talk about some key features that set this dash cam apart. First off, one of the standout functions is its motion detection capability. If you've ever worried about your car getting scratched or bumped while parked, this feature will give you peace of mind. The dashcam automatically starts recording when it detects motion, so you'll have video evidence if anything happens while you're away from your vehicle. For optimal performance, we recommend connecting the camera to your car battery to ensure it has adequate power. Another important feature is the built-in G-sensor. This technology detects sudden events like collisions or sharp turns and automatically locks and saves the recorded footage, preventing it from being overwritten. This is crucial for providing evidence in case of an accident. Additionally, the parking monitor keeps an eye on your surroundings while your car is parked, capturing any movement around it and ensuring you don't miss anything important. The dashcam also includes seamless looping recording with a 32GB MMC card that supports up to 64GB. Once the memory is full, it automatically overwrites the oldest footage, ensuring you always have access to the most recent recordings without worrying about running out of space. Installation is a breeze too. Simply stick the dash cam to your windshield, install the rear camera according to your vehicle's structure, plug it into the cigarette lighter, and you're good to go. It's compact and designed not to obstruct your view while driving, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles. This 3-channel dash cam is perfect for anyone who values safety and security while driving. Whether you're a parent wanting to keep an eye on your little ones in the back seat, a rideshare driver needing extra protection, or simply someone who wants a reliable witness in case of an accident, this device has you covered. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.